Imagine a creature so smart it can solve puzzles, use tools, and even laugh like you do. What if I told you this animal is closer to you than you think? Welcome to Animal Facts 5.0, where today we're diving into the wild, wonderful world of chimpanzees. Stick around because you're about to discover secrets about these incredible primates that'll leave you amazed. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, sharing about 98% of our DNA. That's right, genetically, they're practically family. Found in the forests and savannas of Africa, these primates live in tight-knit communities that can include up to 150 members. Picture a bustling neighborhood where everyone knows each other with friendships, rivalries, and even a bit of drama. It's like a real-life soap opera in the jungle. Chimpanzees form strong social bonds, often grooming each other to build trust and keep the peace. It's like their version of a coffee shop catch-up, but with more fur and fewer lattes. Now, let's talk about their brain power. Excited, chimpanzees are incredibly intelligent. They've been observed using sticks to fish for termites, rocks to crack open nuts, and even leaves as makeshift spoons. Think about that for a second. A chimpanzee using a tool to grab a snack is like you grabbing a fork for your salad. Some chimps have even learned sign language in research settings, communicating complex ideas. Curious tone. How many animals do you know that can do that? Their intelligence doesn't stop there. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait only a few species share. Reflective. That's a level of self-awareness that makes you wonder what they're thinking when they look at their reflection. But life isn't all fun and games for chimpanzees. Their social structures are complex, with dominant males leading the group and alliances forming to maintain power. Dramatic. It's like a real-life soap opera in the jungle. They communicate through hoots, screams, and even facial expressions. Sound familiar? Warm. They also show emotions like joy, sadness, and anger, which makes them so relatable. Playful. Have you ever seen a chimp throw a tantrum? It's like watching a toddler who didn't get their favorite toy, but with more strength and sharper teeth. Chimpanzees are omnivores, munching on fruits, leaves, insects, and occasionally small mammals. Lively, their diet is like a jungle buffet, but they're picky eaters, choosing the ripest fruits with care. In the wild, they spend hours foraging, which is their full-time job. Intriguing. And here's something wild. Chimpanzees sometimes hunt in groups, working together to catch prey like monkeys. It's a teamwork masterclass that shows just how clever they are. Their habitats are under threat, though. Serious tone. Deforestation and poaching are shrinking their homes, and conservation efforts are crucial to their survival. Empathetic. Imagine a world without chimpanzees. Pretty sad, right? That's why learning about them and spreading the word is so important. Let's take a moment to appreciate their playful side. Upbeat. Chimpanzees love to play, whether it's chasing each other through the trees or tickling their friends. Watching them swing from branch to branch is like seeing acrobats in action. Warm. Their energy is contagious, and their laughter? Yes, chimps laugh when they're tickled or playing, and it's one of the most heartwarming sounds you'll ever hear. Here's a fun fact to blow your mind. Some chimpanzees have better short-term memory than humans. Surprised. In studies, they've outperformed people in memory games, remembering sequences of numbers in a flash. Playful. Next time you forget where you parked your car, just think there's a chimp out there who might do better. So what can we learn from chimpanzees? Reflective. They remind us to stay connected, work together, and maybe not take life too seriously. Their intelligence, emotions, and social lives show us how closely linked we are to the animal kingdom. Enthusiastic. If you're as fascinated by chimpanzees as I am, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the love for these incredible creatures. Before you go, drop a comment below. Would you want to hang out with a chimpanzee for a day, or are they a bit too wild for you? Encouraging. And if you loved this deep dive into chimpanzee facts, subscribe to Animal Facts 5.0 and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Exciting! We've got more animal adventures coming your way, from the depths of the ocean to the tops of the trees. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring the wild together.